Hey guys! Today we're gonna learn a new technique for drawing on paper. And that is drawing with bleach. Drawing with bleach is usually done with a brush on fabric, and when it's done on paper, it's also done with a brush. But it's very difficult to control the amount of bleach used to create different shades of light and shadow. That's why in this lesson, we're going to draw with a dip pen to control the amount of bleach needed to create very fine lines with ease. The materials we'll be using are red 80GSM printing paper, a dip pen, bleach gel, a palette to dilute the amount of bleach used to create different shades. When we start drawing, we'll start with all the areas of very high light in the painting using many intersecting lines, or what is called cross-hatching. For the rest of the painting, we'll work in parallel lines. The density of the lines depends on the amount of light in the painting. The less light there is in the painting, the fewer and further apart the lines will be. The disadvantages of drawing with bleach are that it is very dangerous to health, so it is advisable to wear a mask to protect your breathing. Another disadvantage is that mistakes cannot be corrected. And finally, it is difficult to control the amount of bleach used. It is important at the beginning to dilute the bleach with water to obtain different shades of light and shadow. The most important thing to keep in mind is not to fill the dip pen with bleach, or you'll find that all the bleach has leaked onto the paper and the drawing is ruined. The choice of paper color is not the only factor, but the effect produced when bleach is applied to the paper depends on the type and color of paper we use. So, is about the effect, not just the color of the paper. I hope you benefited from the lesson, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.